Your dryer is designed to trap lint and other particles during the drying cycle. However, some of these particles are too fine for your lint trap to catch. Today, we are cleaning our dryer vents. Join me. Sometimes when our dryer vent is clogged, it will take more than one drying cycle to get our clothes completely dry. This is normally an indication that we need to clean our vent. So let's get started. Step 1, unplug your dryer and pull it away from the wall. I know, but unplug your dryer and just pull it away from the wall. It should be very simple to just pull right out. Make sure you don't scratch your floor. Put down something beforehand. Detach the exhaust hose and either wipe the inside clean or use your handheld vacuum and the attachment and vacuum all on the inside of the dryer. Step 2. Remove the duct or vent clamp on the back of your dryer. Refer to your owner's manual for directions if you need them. Clean out the vent using your vacuum brush attachment, then replace the vent clamp. Step 3. Remove the lint filter and wash in the sink with soapy water. Clean and scrub it really good. I use a toothbrush for this part. Let the lint filter air dry before putting it back. Step 4. While your lint filter is drying, use a vacuum and the handheld attachment to clean in and around the cavity where the lint filter lives. Sometimes the lint filter cavity has a cover. Remove it, clean it, and then replace it. Please share this video with all your friends who need to clean their lint filter. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. Thank you!